back, everybody. My name is Bob Rafferty, and we're going to continue on with our ChatGPT tutorials. We are working on publishing a children's book about a bear who gets lost hiking a mountain. So, at this point, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, how do we go about actually writing the book? What software should we use to write this book? So let's see. What software should I use to write this book? When it comes to writing and formatting your children's book, the software you choose, software you use can make a big difference in terms of organizing, ease of use, and compatibility with publishers. Here's some options depending on your needs. Um, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Scrivener. Says best for organizing complex projects and detailed manuscripts. Um, Not sure that I'd use that. Adobe InDesign um, is one I could possibly use. Canva is also one that I could possibly use. InDesign is definitely one of the top choices, but I'd have to purchase the software. I don't have a copy of Adobe InDesign myself. Let's see, Book Creator, um, interactive ebooks, especially for younger children. If you're interested in creating a digital interactive children's book, Book Creator is an intuitive tool for both writing and designing. My book's not going to be interactive though. Um, you can add interactive elements like sounds, videos, and animation. I suppose I could do something like that. Um, Easy for beginners and has a simple interface, works well for both picture books and text-heavy stories. Downside, it's primarily for digital publishing, not print, so it's best for ebooks or interactive apps. So that could be a problem because I do want to do a print book. So Blurb Bookwrite, best for print-on-demand books and custom designs. This might be okay. Why use it? It's a free tool for creating professional quality books, ideal if you want to self-publish with Blurb or in any other print-on-demand service. So this certainly that right there falls into what I'm trying to do. Drag and drop interface for easy page layout. Let's see, works well with both photo heavy books and text. Downside, it's mostly for formatting, so you might still need to write your content in another program first, which is fine. I can do that. Um, let's see, final recommendations for a children's book. If you want to focus primarily on writing, I recommend Google Docs. So let's check out this Blurb Bookwrite copy. Let's just paste this into Google. We'll go to Blurb Bookwrite. I'm just curious. Of course, it's going to make us sign up or log in. Um, let's see. Create a free account. Download Bookwrite. Start creating. Free and powerful. One free download puts the power to design every detail of the page straight into your hands. Bring your vision to life. Um, so easy to get started. Choose a format. Select paper and cover options. Upload. Um, so this might even allow us to have them print it for us. It almost seems that way. Pricing. I'm just curious what it says about pricing. If it's going does not look like it is. Let's go pricing calculator. Does that load? Nope. All right. Well, I'm not going to be able to get what I want there, but looks like oh, there's a Adobe InDesign plugin. Anywho, that may be an option. I'll look into that for sure. Um, let's just say give me some more options. I am interested in a company that can also print the book for me. So both help and publish. So Kindle Direct Publishing, uh, Ingram Spark. I know this was mentioned before. Let's just take a quick peek at this one. Ingram Spark. Publish a book. You have a story. Share it with the world. Um, Promote, sell, print, pricing, print my book. Yeah, I mean, this certainly is a possibility. Print an ebook, print book only. Yeah, this is a possibility. I'll have to look into this one as well. What else does it say? Blurb, we just checked that one out. Lulu, flexible print options and global distribution. Let's go paste. Lulu, online self-publishing. Here we go. Publish or print a book. How to self-publish a book, sell your book, free automated book printing for your business. Um, Price your book, book size. 6 minutes. Okay, interesting. Letter, page count. I think we had like 25 pages. Maybe it was less than that, but perfect bound coil. I would probably want to do. That one's not an option. Not sure which one gives me that option, but let's go back to US letter, case wrap. Oh, let's just pick this one for now. Black and white. We want probably do premium color on that one because it's going to be a children's book. White, uncoated, coated, and glossy. Children's book is going to be glossy. $8.91 per print. So who knows? That may be an option. Just something to look into. Book Baby, high quality printing, full range of publishing services. Why use? Book Baby offers both printing and professional publishing services, including edit, design, marketing support. They're great for authors who want more hands-off experience but still maintain control. Um, there's another possibility. So, but as you can see here, ChatGPT, again, we don't know which direction to head. We ask it some questions and it guides us in the right direction. So, um, if I wanted any more details about any one of these, um, we could ask it. Let's see. Give me more details about blurb. Let's see what it says. High quality print options, book sizes and formats, global distribution. You can use Blurb's free ISBN or provide your own if you want to retain full control over your book's copyright. Um, yeah, just lots and lots of information here. Blurb is ideal for authors who prioritize high quality printing, customization, and professional design, especially for children's books. It's an excellent choice if you have visual elements like illustrations that need to be presented clearly and beautifully. While Blurb's cost might be higher than platforms like Amazon KDP, its premium print options and distribution network make it an excellent choice for authors who want to print professional product and the ability to sell their books through major platforms like Amazon and bookstores. Let's just get more information on Amazon KDP real quick. So let's go copy that. Give me more information on Amazon KDP. Let's see, free to use. That's great. And it does have print books. You can publish paperback books which are printed on demand, while KDP currently doesn't offer hardcovers, which is fine for a children's book, doesn't need to be a hardcover. It's a great option for affordable paperback printing. Yeah, I don't need a hardcover. Global distribution. It's automatically listed on Amazon's global marketplaces, including US, UK, Europe, and beyond. Print on demand. One of the best features of KDP is the print on demand model. Books are only printed when someone orders them, meaning you don't need to pay for the large print runs up front. That's fantastic. This is ideal for authors who are just starting out and don't want to invest a lot of inventory or invest in a lot of inventory. The process is fast and you only pay for the printing costs once the order is placed, so there's no financial risk. I like that. I like little to no financial risk. Royalties and pricing. So 35% royalty on books priced below $2.99 or above $9.99 in certain countries. 70% royalty on books priced between $2.99 and $9.99 in many countries, including U.S. So looks like it'd be a 70% royalty. That's a little steep. Um, let me copy this. Copy, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, what does this mean? Uh, I want to get more details on that. So 70% royalty on books priced between $2.99 and $9.99 means that for every book you sell within that price range, you will receive 70% of the sale. Oh, okay. All right. So I thought we had to pay 70%. So I would receive 70% of the sale price as a royalty. However, there's a slight catch. Amazon also deducts a delivery fee based on the size of your ebook file, how large the file is in terms of megabytes or gigabytes. Um, Mine's going to be a printed book though. What about print printed books? What are the royalties? So for printed paperbacks, work a little differently. Let's see. Royalty on printed books. You set the price of your paperback within Amazon's price range, which is based on printing costs. Amazon takes a printing cost. This is the cost of producing the book, and the royalty is calculated based on the price you set minus that printing cost. So the royalty that I receive is the sale price minus the printing cost minus Amazon share. So for example here, let's say you price your paperback at $15. Um, the printing costs can vary depending on page count, trim size, and whatnot. For a typical 200-page black and white paperback book, it might be $4 to print it. So we're going to go $15 minus $4 is $11. Amazon will pay me 60% of the remainder as a royalty, which is their standard royalty payment. So I get 60% of the $11. So 15 for 60% of 11 is $6.60. So out of a $15 book, I'm going to get $6.60. Um, okay. Well, I mean, not saying that's good, not saying that's bad. I'm just, it explains it. And again, ChatGPT all the way. For me to find all this information on Amazon's website would probably be a pain in the neck. But ChatGPT can just lay it right out for me. And obviously, I want to verify this pricing. I'm not going to believe everything I'm seeing here, but I do understand the structure and how it works. So let me ask, um, how up to date are you on Amazon's pricing? Just curious if it knows. Let's see, it's going to give me two options here. This happens occasionally. It'll give me two options. I can pick, I prefer this response or I prefer that response. Um, so let's see, search 5 sites. It's going to tell me, okay, these are the 5 sites that it actually searched to get its information. So I'm guessing it's pretty up to date um, on its pricing information. So let's see. I'll just say I prefer this response. So 60% of $15 minus 485. Looks like it changed some of the example, but we're at 333 paperback. But anyways, you guys can see how the ChatGPT is just it's invaluable, and could just help you tremendously with your research, trying to figure out what you want to do, how you want to go about doing it, um, and yeah, it's great. So I appreciate you tuning in. Um, if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Any suggestions or any your requests on what kind of content you want me to create, leave that in the comment section below as well. Please like and subscribe so that I can grow my channel. And that's it. I will see you guys soon.